Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 23. And here's our question, that is create and manage a simple to-do list. The user can add items to the list, remove items from the list, and view the current items on the list. So we have already seen how to create a empty list, and we have also seen the list method. So let's see how we can create this simple to-do list. Okay, I have already created a file. Let's write to-do list variable, and it is a empty list. While true, print current to-do list for item to-do list, and we are printing hyphen plus item. Okay, we are printing the item. Here we are printing the current to-do list. Now we'll print the menu of options, and we'll simply use print function. Menu 1, add an item, print, remove an item, print, quit. Okay, very simple options I'm putting here. Now we'll create an option variable, option equal to input, enter an option, get the user's input for the menu option. Okay, now we'll do the important stuff. First, let's add an item to the list, and we'll use if option is equal to 1. Okay, so first we'll check if option is equal to 1. We'll write item equal to input, enter the item to add. Okay, we want the user to add the item if he press 1, and we have to append this in our to-do list. To-do list dot append the item. Okay, so we are appending the item whatever the user is typing or adding in our to-do list here in our empty list. Okay, now second we have to remove an item to the list, and we'll use elif option is equal to 2, item equal to input, enter the item to remove, and after that we'll use to-do list dot remove method to remove the item. Okay, now we have to write quit the program code. We are in the loop, we are in a while loop. Whatever the code we are writing, it is in a while loop. Okay, so elif option is equal to 3, we have to break the loop, and the last we have to print an error message for invalid input, else print invalid option, try again. Okay, so I have already saved the file. Let's run the code, and we'll use 1, that is add an item. Okay, create a thumbnail for 23rd video. Okay, here is our current list, that is create a thumbnail for 23rd video, enter an option, that is 1, and we'll use create YouTube description. Okay, 2 lists are there. Okay, so now we are gonna remove an item, so we'll press 2, enter the item to remove, so we'll use create YT, that is YouTube description. Okay, now it is removed from the list, that is great. Let's write 4. Okay, invalid option, try again, it is working. Our last condition, that is else condition. Now we have to check our third option, that is quit. Let's write 3, and yes, it is working. We are out of the loop. Great. So this is a very simple to-do list, by the way, and we have used the simple list method to append and remove the item in our list. Okay, and we are using the simple while loop to perform these actions. So I hope you like it and you'll give it a try. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues. And yes, make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.